don't have traffic right now because this time many people already inside. So we're going down from the bridge. Bus station. It's bus station going to Manila. You see guys how to not safety walk through this road. It's very close Al Basio Italian restaurant. Oh, you see free ride point to point. City from mall. Not allowed here. Hi everyone. Now Sunday and I want to go to Clark City Front Mall. It's a new shopping center in front of SM City Clark. I will show to you way how you need to go from SM Clark or from Balibago also. I will show to you also shopping center and let's go now with me. Today rainy day, that's why I use umbrella. In the city, in the same city Clark, so many people today because now an event, small children dancing, music also. I meet with a friend, we sit in the cafe together and now he go to home, but I want to show to you way how to go to another side because don't have any pedestrian line go to the Clark City Front Mall. Long time I was not filming and you see now I am in the bus station. It's bus station going to Manila. Manila also airport. You see many people waiting bus, Genesis bus. This bus going to Trinoma, it's Manila, but most of the people waiting bus to airport. Here taxi. You see. I remember we ordered taxi to my friend from here, from SM City Clark to Clark, inside the Clark, and they charge 600 peso. So expensive. Better use bus. So now in the Clark really so many people. All morning I am in the Clark, sit, drinking coffee, also I eat in the Savory, classic Savory. Okay, let's go to another shopping center. When I walk in the same city Clark, one subscriber from Las Vegas, Filipina, but he is American. He already long time live in America, and his wife in Filipina. They watch our channel, and we talk long time in the same city Clark. He very happy to see me, also take picture with me, but I am shy really. But I am not expected also. He said he watch long time our channel, asking about Georgi, asking about Shire also. And he waiting also our new video, also video call with his wife. So that's why if guys see me, if you want to talk, it's not problem. I can talk with you, anyone. Thank you, but I am only shy, and maybe sometimes I cannot talk good in English because my English is not good. But I try to talk. So now already I am near another entrance and I need to go to the bridge. In the bridge we will go to another shopping center. I will show to you. Thank you. Okay, I will show also what we have here new. Here so many street foods also. Water 20 peso usually here. But in the same bottle water about 30 peso, 35 peso. You can buy Seomai also. Buka. How much Buka juice? 40 peso small, medium 50, large is 60 peso. Okay. Here tricycle driver waiting. And waiting area also, jeepney also. This is jeepney going to from checkpoint here, this is checkpoint, to Holy Angel University. It's center of Angeles. X station. This is maybe Balut have. How much? How much here? 45, 35. Fried chicken egg have. Okay. Seoul Food House also. Okay, Gulaman 25 peso. I like Gulaman. Okay. This is mini park. You can buy flower also here. You see, we can order for you flower. One shop here and another in the another side. Okay, let's go to the bridge. Don't have traffic right now because this time many people already inside in the Sam or maybe in the Clark. Also rainy day today. I have umbrella. Also I take jacket if I go to this one. I use jacket if I go to shopping center. You see, this is mini park. Empty, but I see it maybe flooded before. Heavy rain, really heavy rain. Before heavy rain. Empty, it's okay. Don't have traffic. It's good time. Sunday usually about now 2 p.m. 2 p.m. You see flooded also. This is area for bridge. You see, you can see bridge here from Clark International Airport. Here, they put column here. Take a look, traffic in SM. Heavy traffic. They won't go to inside. Take a look, they prepare for column here. Bridge, for bridge. I don't know about this bridge. Maybe they will remove or maybe some modification because this is road to from Clark Airport to Manila. This is bridge. Through Tiger Hotel also. So we're going down from the bridge. And we need to go to another side. heavy traffic to SM. So you see, go to the shopping center, easy from Balibago, not from SM City Clark, because we need to take this, use this bridge, go through the road and walk. But who live in Balibago, Eurotel or ABC Hotel, it's easy to go to the front mall center. I will show to you another gate also. This is Honda cars, but now Sunday maybe close because don't have even cars park. Yeah, it's closed. Sunday closed. Monday to Saturday working from 8 to 5 p.m. Okay, next time I will come to take video and I show to you Honda cars. You see how we walk from center of SM City Clark, from the bus station through the bridge. I think not so many people inside because most of Philippine people don't want to walk so much. They use car or jeepney or tricycle, but tricycle not allowed here. That's why how they go inside. I think not so many people now. Clark City Front Mall. Have also parking inside. This is one entrance, and I will show to you entrance to Balibago. Yes, this is entrance from the Fields Avenue. Coffee also here. This is cheap coffee here. Hello. You see, this is already Fields Avenue. This is Fields Avenue. So, who live in ABC Hotel or near Hotel America? Near Red Doors also hotel. It's very close Albasio Italian restaurant. Take a look. This is Fields Avenue. From Fields Avenue, one problem, guys, one problem. Don't have pedestrian line here. Really, I don't know how to go from one side to road to another side. Pedestrian line don't have here. So you already know. Gate. Sorry for my English. Sometimes I forgot already what I need to say. Okay, we're going to upstairs. You see, guys, how to not safety walk through this road. You see? And we need to go to another road also. It's not easy. Sometimes here faster driving cars, motorcycle. In the escalator. And we're going to upstairs right now. What we do it here? Is coffee also. Oh, maybe not. This is Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3. Here have cafe also. In cafe have people. Yeah. Yogurt also. How much yogurt? Latches 388. Single order 220. Inside cold, that's why I need to take my jacket. I have my jacket, I always with me, because if I go to the cold with aircon after walk, I can sick faster. That's why I always take jacket. Go already not cold for me inside. This is entrance to Clark City from mall. Not allowed here.
Yes, sir.
Inside not allowed.
Yes, sir. If you want to allow your camera, sir, you can go admin.
Where?
Admin, sir.
Admin?
You have to get a permit.
Where admin?
About Tower 6, sir, lower floor.
Tower 6? Okay. Where Tower 6 front, yes? Sorry guys, I cannot show to you this shopping center. They say it need to go to the admin. It's Tower 6. It's I think it's need to find it's more walk to, and I don't know, working today or not. Admin with the shopping mall, I don't know. I already filming before inside. They allowed me to film. That's why I try to find and I put link to this video to description, and you can watch video, old video. But now I want to go to BYD car, Chinese car. If open, I will show to you BYD car. So I will close, switch off my camera and go to straight to the another tower. Sorry, but I don't want to long time to spend my I don't know how to say, spend my time to find admin to ask permission to film it. Sorry. Guys, I walk already through all shopping center and very few people, but some of restaurants, cafe shops, it's open, also have Starbucks. If you want to silent and not crowded place like SM City Clark, it's also good place for stay. If you have girlfriend, you can go to. Also have cinema, but I don't want to lose my time asking permission. That's why I go straight to the BYD car. If open BYD car, I will show to you. Now this is already church in Fields Avenue. You see, so it's already last building, last tower. But here have pedestrian line. Really, I don't understand. Here don't have gate. You see, don't have gate here. But pedestrian line have. Have Starbucks here. And another gate also. This is gate to Fields Avenue, to gas station. Oh, I see. Free ride point to point. Free ride. Where? I will ask. Excuse me, do you know this is ride for where? For where? You don't know? Free ride, but where? Only in the city mall?
Yes, sir.
Only city mall.
Yes, sir.
From Tower 1 to Tower 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, free ride, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. And also have another gate. You see, this is another gate to the Petron gas station. Take a look. Also don't have pedestrian line here. You see what available. Cinema. Today in the cinema many people. So this is Tower 6. See, this is gate to the Clark. This is last Tower 6. Last Tower 6. So I walk through the all Clark City Front Mall. All from all. And now I will go to the another building. I want to see BYD cars. It's already Clark Freeport. Some of tourists here jogging also here. It's okay. Good. This is car security agency. They said we can help you to go to the BYD cars. I said, oh, thank you very much. I want walk only. I will show to you. It's okay. Weather good. Little bit rain, but it's okay. It's not rain.